I'm Clive Cragen, the Executive Director of Pursue Scholars. For more than 18 years, Pursue Scholars has empowered young people in Chicago to pursue their dreams and complete their educations. Together with your support, we have seen dreams nurtured, potential realized, and lives shaped that have continued to make an impact both in Chicago and in other communities. Today, I come to you both in a spirit of gratitude and with a sense of urgency. Due to financial challenges and economic uncertainty, Pursue Scholars will be ceasing operations in the beginning of 2026. This is not the outcome that we desired, and it's not something we come to lightly. The decision has been made through months of discernment, prayers, meetings, budget adjustments, and looking for new partners. But even in this difficult moment, our mission hasn't changed. We remain deeply committed to our scholars finishing their journey on completing their education.
Pursue has allowed me to build connections and community that not only prepared me academically, but spiritually to conquer the challenges of college and careers and just life in general.
Every Pursue Scholar that I have ever come across is often functioning as a mirror to my own journey. And I think about that because I think about the fact that as an African-American male who doesn't have a family with deep resources, deep pockets, or let alone college experience, I needed the support of a Pursue Scholars when I initially went off to school in Atlanta, Georgia. And now that I have the ability to do so, I pour my heart and my soul out into it, encouraging these students to continue to go along, to fight on, to get across the finish line.
I love the holistic approach that they give to supporting our students and our future leaders. I love the way they don't just write a check and then forget about the kids. Actually, a lot of the engagement occurs during the students' time during college. They just create an overall Christ-centered community that builds the values of love, trust, faith, confidence, compassion, and leadership, which is sadly lacking in our world today.
Continued support not only gives them an added incentive, not only provides them with the ability to get across the finish line, but it also tells them that they have what it takes.
Without the support of Pursue, I don't know where I would be today. They really were able to help me navigate my way through college and support me and check in on me. And that has meant a lot, not only to my life, but it's meant a lot to the people that I've been able to now support in college.
Pursue is more than just a nonprofit organization. It is a spirit, it's a value system. We have a duty, we have a moral and spiritual duty to stand up to the tide of hate, to the tide of division, of polarization, and show people that we are still a family and we know how to love each other, we know how to lead each other, we know how to make the best of each other, and that I cannot be happy as an individual until I know that that the most vulnerable person in my family is being taken care of.
With Pursue coming to an end, I know that the love of Pursue won't. And so I will definitely cherish the community and the people that I've been able to know and gain trust with. And I will cherish that and the memories and experiences that I've had and the friends that I've made. I will definitely hold with me.
Please join us in standing with our scholars and help them to finish their journey and complete their education. Let us finish strong together. Thank you. May God bless you.